boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Mahalia, she's in the club. This one is a cool, chill song, and it goes in the same way through the entire song, and we love that. Sometimes it's just nice to skip all that pickings and everything else. Just do the same and have a cool beat. So that's what this song is all about. Capo on third, and we have a couple chords to go over. So let's start with the first one, the E minor. Okay, I'm gonna show you the full chords here, but we'll not do any strumming or so. We'll just use the picks like this. So anyway, I show you the full chord. So the E minor is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be D, but with an F sharp in the bass. Okay, so that will be second on E. And usually I mute the next string there, the open A. I just lean my finger on top of this A string, which I'm using for the E. So the A is muted, and then open D, second G, third B, and open E. Now we have one chord, but we will emphasize different notes here. So this is basically a G6 chord, but with a B in the bass. So the first time we're gonna play it is without any note, just the bass string here, the second fret A string. So that is basically the grip we're gonna use for the first time. We use that chord, and the chord that comes right after is basically the same. We're just gonna add one note extra, and that will be third on the B string. So first time, just this second fret A string, and the second time you add the third fret on B string to that second A. So that will be the G6, and I'm gonna explain how to do that and use that chord. Okay, and then we have the final chord. It's the D sharp 6, and it looks like this. Sounds like that. So that will be first fret on D string, second on G, and first on B. So you're just gonna use the three strings there, D, G, and B. So there you have the chords, okay? So, like I said, no strumming for this one. We're gonna pick these chords, all right? So for the first E minor, or I can just actually play the first part of this chord progression. It sounds like this. Yeah. So that is E minor. First, you're gonna play the E string when you hold the chord together with the D, G, and B. So everything here is open. So actually, you don't really need to hold anything at all when you play the E minor. That's how you do it, okay? And the next chord was the D with F sharp in the bass. So you grab that chord, and here you're gonna play the strings E, D, G, and B. Okay, so that is second on E together with open D, second G, and third B. Try to emphasize the third B here. On E minor, you try to emphasize the open B, this one, and on this D, F sharp chord, try to emphasize the third B. Okay, the next was the G6 with B in the bass 2 times. On the first time, you're gonna play like that. So that is second fret on A string together with open D, open G, and open B. Try here to emphasize the open B. And the second time you play this G6/B, you add the third fret on B string, and that is because you want to emphasize that note, okay? So you play the same strings, that means the second fret A together with open D, open G, and third B. So that is the first half of this chord progression. So to summarize the first part, E minor, D, F, G6 times 2, first time open B string, and second time 3rd fret B string. And after this chord, you have a short break, and then you're gonna play everything one more time for the second round. And on the second time you play it, instead of having a long break, you will add the D sharp 6. And here you're just gonna pick all the 3 strings you use for this chord. That means 1st fret D, 2nd G, and 1st B. So one round, and that is the end of this chord progression here. So one round will be like this. And then you continue. Alright, so there you have it. It's the same through the entire song. You could add some claps to it. It's not necessary, but or so. It's up to you. There you have the chords, and that is what you really need for this song. So that covers Mahalia in the Club. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon. And if you like this one and tutorials such this, thumb up, leave a comment, and you will be happy if you subscribe here, because more is coming up here. So thank you for watching, and play tuned.